Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Monday to everybody. I hope everybody had a nice weekend and enjoyed the nice weather over the weekend. I definitely will say that yesterday was nicer than I thought it was going to be in the morning. It was really nice and warm, and hopefully you got out and you did something outside, got some fresh air, got some vitamin D. I know there was some sun in the morning, then it kind of got cloudy. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Marcus and I are just so grateful, especially this time of the year. We're very grateful for all your support. We're grateful for all the support of the restaurant, and we are all just trying to do the best that we can in this time. Hope everybody is well and keeping healthy. Thank you for watching me. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Let's see. So tonight is Monday. Every Monday we do a buy one, get one free wings. So we smoke our wings in our smoker, and we have hot or barbecue wings. So you can call ahead and place your order, 647-3000. We have our regular menu available as well. That is available online on our website. It's in the top. If you click menu and you scroll down, our full menu is there. And then every week now, we are going to be doing a $9.99 special. Last week we did ribeye, and this week we are doing our wild coho salmon. $9.99. It comes with a mustard dill sauce. And then if you want to add any sides, that is extra. But our salmon is $9.99 this week. And Marcus is playing around with maybe doing a meatball special this week as well. So stay tuned for that. That'll probably come out tomorrow. We are sold out for our wine dinner tonight. So thank you everybody for your support on our wine dinner. Takeout is available. We can curbside deliver to you. Please, if you're going out to restaurants, especially this time of the year, please be patient. We have no idea how busy we're going to be. We have no idea how busy the phones are going to be ringing. And of course, in this time of COVID, we have to be very careful about our labor. I know all restaurants are struggling with that right now. So we have low staff to help with the labor. And so just be patient. And please, if you are going out to eat, please take care of your staff. Also, please, if you're getting takeout, I know Marcus has mentioned this in many of his lives, but our staff in the front of the house, they work on tips. And if they are delivering food out to the car to you or taking your to-go order over the phone, they are taking care of you. So please just make sure that you are taking care of the staff. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. And let's see, today I'm going to make something kind of fun that I saw online. I thought it'd be fun to make Rudolph's Tipsy Spritzer. So thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Hillary, hello Diane, hello Jaro, hi Jim. Jim's watching from Seattle. Jim did some awesome stuff this weekend up there in Ellensburg, in Washington, sorry, not in Seattle. He's doing an awesome job. If you're ever in Washington State near Ellensburg, check out Wings Central, Brooklyn's Pizzeria. Awesome up there. I know not many people are traveling right now, but if you ever get up there, let us know. So thanks everybody, we appreciate it. So I'm going to be making a Rudolph's Tipsy Spritzer today. Simple ingredients. We have our organic vodka, which is available. It's $27 for the bottle to go. I have orange juice, and this Natalie's orange juice is awesome. Makes awesome mimosas on Sunday mornings or Saturday or Sunday mornings. This is available to go. Cranberry juice, filthy cherry juice, so black cherry juice, and cranberry juice. I think I said that already. So I'm going to start with some ice in my glass. And I'm going to add 2 ounces of vodka. So you can really use whatever vodka you'd like. This is just, we use this organic vodka here at the restaurant. So, and I'm going to put about 1 ounce of orange juice. And about 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Oh, you know what I forgot? Ginger. This gets ginger in it too. You can use ginger ale or ginger beer. We use the Q ginger beer. We also have these for sale, 4 of them for $5.99. So I'm gonna add a little ginger and some of the cherry juice. So you can use Marciano cherry juice. We use this filthy cherry, this black cherry juice, which I think is really an awesome juice. So I know it's not gonna be as bright if you use Marciano cherry. That makes it very red. But there you have it, Rudolph's Tipsy Spritzer. You can make this at home. It's easy to make. You probably have. Hold on, everybody. Disaster in. Whoa. Sorry about that. We had a little something fall. I'm not sure what it was. Hold on. Sometimes we have that happen. Sorry. Hello, everybody. Sorry about that little disaster there. I don't know what just fell. But this is a nice holiday drink. I know we're not supposed to be having people over at our houses, so I know that small groups, but this makes a nice little cocktail. Oh, that's really nice. Orange juice, cranberry juice, ginger, Marciano cherry juice or black cherry juice, which is what we use. And there you have it. So thanks everybody for watching. Sorry about my little knockover. I don't even know what really fell, but something knocked over my camera. And again, $9.99 tonight. We have our salmon, which is $9.99. Add-on special, add-on sides, and our buy one get one free wings tonight. Hot or barbecue. We have our full menu available as well. And hopefully we'll see some of you soon. We have gift cards available, baskets available, groceries are still available here at Aroma Time. So thanks everybody, and I will see you tomorrow for Wine Time Live, or maybe I'll do another happy hour live tomorrow. So hope everybody has an awesome day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.